Everybody is talking about scholarships, but few people are talking about this. Right now, there is a program in Europe where your flight is covered, your accommodation is covered, and you still receive monthly money just for volunteering. The crazy part, many people don't even know this exists. I'm going to pull back the curtain on how you can land one of these spots, even if you are currently outside of Europe. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what this program is, who can apply, what they cover, and the step-by-step process to get there. This program is called the European Solidarity Corps, an official initiative by the European Union that allows young people to travel to different countries in Europe and work on social impact projects. Instead of paying huge money to relocate, this program actually supports you to come, contribute, and gain international experience. You could be working with NGOs, supporting education, or even helping environmental projects. Later on, I'll show you the exact portal where these roles are hidden. But first, let's see if you are actually eligible. Now, let's talk about the part everyone cares about. What exactly is covered? Number one, your travel cost. In most cases, your flight is reimbursed or fully covered. 2. Accommodation. You don't need to worry about rent. 3. Food, either provided directly or through an allowance. 4. Monthly pocket money for your personal expenses. 5. Health insurance is included. Wait, let that sink in. You are getting a European life experience with zero rent and a monthly paycheck. This is not just a volunteering, it's a fully support international experience. The basic requirement is that you must be between 18 to 30 years old. It is open to people from EU countries and partner countries. And yes, even if you are from countries like Nigeria, India, South Africa, you can still apply. Another important thing, you don't need IELTS in most cases. What they care about more is your motivation and your willingness to adapt to a new environment. But because there is no exam barrier, competition is high. That's why the selection process is where most people fail before they even start. This is where many people get it wrong. This is not automatic. You have to be selected by the host organization. That means your motivation letter matters more than almost anything else. You also need to apply to multiple opportunities, not just one. The more strategic you are, the higher your chances. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1, go to the European Youth Portal. Step 2, create your account and complete your profile. Step 3, browse the volunteering section. You will see different countries' role and durations. Step 4, apply directly. Make sure your CV and motivation letter are tailored to that specific project. Before you go, avoid these traps. Don't apply randomly without reading the role. Don't send the same motivation letter to every opportunity. And don't give up after one rejection. Consistency is the key. If you want me to guide you step by step, help you with your CV, or show you how to increase your chances, comment here below. And if this is your first time here, subscribe, because I share verified opportunities that can actually change your life.